If you want to edit this text over here, we simply have to click on it. Then we have the text editor over here, the style settings over here, and the advanced settings over here. So we can add the text over here. We can drop the cap like so. We can choose different columns. So let's add multiple paragraphs. So I'm going to copy this one and paste it a few more times so we can see the column settings like so. The column gap like so. And over here we could click to edit with AI. By going to style, we have the alignment over here. We have the color over here. The typography with the font family over here. With the size over here. The width, if you want to transform it or not. The styling, the decoration, the line height, the letter spacing, and the word spacing. Okay, and we also have text shadow over here. We can change the color from over here. Over here we can change the opacity, like so. And over here the color, like so. We can change the blur, like so. And to offset the shadow, like so. And we also have paragraph spacing, like so. Over here to advance, we can see that we have a custom width set in. You can see that changing like so. We can also set padding and margin over here if we want to.